Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. Wow, you guys look very excited today. What's going on? Really? Okay. So, how are you today? Fine? You good? Okay. Miss, I'm fine too. I'm good. Thank you. Okay. So now we are going to take the register first. Who is absent for today? Nothing? Wow, thank you for all of you to come in my class, in my English class. So guys, do you know? The material today is about story, or the specific is about narrative text. Yeah. Before I start the material, do you know what is narrative text? Yeah, narrative text is a story. Narrative text itu adalah sebuah cerita yang salah satu ceritanya adalah seperti legenda, mitos, cerita rakyat, cerita binatang, dan lain sebagainya. And then, what is the definition of narrative text? Do you know? No? You don't know? Okay, no problem. Narrative text is an imaginative story to entertain people. Or in bahasa, teks narasi adalah cerita imajinatif yang bertujuan untuk menghibur orang. And in the narrative text, there have a generic structure or structure umum. Jadi di narrative text itu mempunyai struktur umum. And there is orientation, complication, resolution, and the last reorientation. So, what is orientation in general structure of narrative text? First is orientation. Orientation is about the opening paragraph where the characters of the story are introduced. So, in bahasa, orientation adalah pengenalan atau pembuka yang berisi tentang tokoh, tempat, dan waktu terjadinya sebuah cerita itu. And second one is complication. Complication where the problem in the story develop. So, in bahasa, complication adalah permasalahan yang muncul di dalam cerita tersebut. And the third is resolution. Resolution is the problem in the story itself. So, in bahasa, resolution adalah solusi dari sebuah cerita itu yang nantinya akan berakhir happy ending or sad ending. And the last one is reorientation. Reorientation is the lesson from the story, or in bahasa, reorientation itu adalah sebuah pembelajaran yang bisa kita ambil dari cerita tersebut atau adalah pesan moral dari penulis untuk pembaca. Okay, anak-anak, are you understand what I talking about of narrative text? Really? Okay, thank you. Now, I will show you the video about narrative text, but this is story and the title is Cinderella. Jadi Miss mau memberikan sebuah video yang berisikan tentang cerita naratif teks ini, yaitu cerita tentang Cinderella. So, you have to watch the video until the end ya. Jangan di skip-skip, jadi harus menonton video ini sampai di akhir, okay? So, check this out.
Once, there lived a beautiful girl named Cinderella. Her stepmother and stepsisters made her do all the housework. One day, the king announced a ball to select a wife for the prince. All the girls of the kingdom were invited to the ball. The stepsisters dressed in the best gowns and went for the ball. Cinderella, who was left behind, started crying as she also wanted to go to the ball. Just then, a fairy grandmother appeared. The fairy grandmother changed 6 mice into horses, 1 coachman, and a big pumpkin into a carriage. She then touched Cinderella, and magically she was dressed in the most beautiful gown ever seen. The fairy grandmother then gave Cinderella a pair of
So guys, you have already watched the video until the end, right? Jadi kalian sudah menonton videonya sampai terakhir kan? Yeah, thank you for it. So, anybody have a question? Yes, you. Oh, okay. Your friend is never read or see the story about Cinderella. Jadi teman kalian ini belum pernah mendengar atau membaca cerita dari Cinderella ini. So, Miss akan mengirimkan link about story of Cinderella ini ya, melalui Google Classroom atau WhatsApp group. Okay, so what is an assignment for today? The assignment is write the general structure of story Cinderella. You must be write the orientation, complication, resolution, and the last one reorientation. And then send the assignment use Google Classroom or WhatsApp group. Okay? Jadi nantinya tugas itu kalian kirimkan melalui aplikasi WhatsApp atau Google Classroom ya. Jadi kalian tuh Miss mau minta untuk menjelaskan general structure atau struktur umum yang ada di dalam cerita Cinderella ini. Okay? Do you understand about the assignment? Yes? Okay. Thank you for today. I want to say sorry if I have a mistake for today, okay? Miss mau minta maaf jika ada kesalahan untuk pengajian hari ini ya anak-anak. Okay, thank you for all of you. And the last is wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.